How to make money with AI in 2024? In this video, this is Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach. I will explain you the main strategies that you can use or leverage in 2024 to start from scratch with a new business in the AI emerging world. The first idea that I want to provide you is the AI automation agency. So, what is that exactly? It's like the new generation of digital agencies, where the difference is that you use AI to provide all your content, your services to your customers. So that means that you can really reduce your cost, improve your efficiency, and improve also the profit for your activity. So that's the general idea. Second idea is to start up an AI content creation service. I mean, there are many tools that leverage the AI power to create any kind of content, but the problem is that final customers, in this case I would say entrepreneurs, they don't know how to use those tools. So you can get a customer, provide that customer with the content that he needs. That means copy, that means visuals, that means video, and get paid for that content that you are producing using AI. Then you can use AI to start up a new business where your product or service is based on any kind of innovation provided by AI. Let's suppose you are a nutritionist. Nowadays you are able to launch a website service where you provide customers the opportunity to giving you just a few data like their weight, their goals, their habits, and you can provide them with a customized nutrition plan, and that plan would be ready in seconds or minutes and would cost you nothing, not even 1 minute of your time. What about freelancing and consulting? You can launch in 2024 a freelancer activity where you, as an AI freelancer, you help businesses to use AI in their business. So you can help them developing website, launching marketing campaigns, or you can just consult and outsource everything. So you don't help them. You just get get a customer, and you provide to that customer with a social media service or with a content marketing service or a copywriting service. So they will outsource you everything, and you will do everything with AI. Do you dream to launch your startup project, high potential startup project? Would you like really to have your AI idea and get funded to launch that idea on a global level? So this is the startup world related to the AI investments, and right now there are very big investors investing money in AI innovative projects. What about making money with AI professionally? What you can do right now is the opportunity to enter an AI career where you can become an AI product specialist, an AI solution architect, an AI consultant, or an AI marketing specialist. There are many different AI specializations, and you can enter the innovative job market of the AI new jobs. For example, we in Digital Coach, we have an amazing school called AI Jobs Academy, and we can help you if you are interested in it. Now, to close this video, I want just to highlight the fact that AI is an amazing opportunity to launch your own business in 2024, both if you want to become an AI entrepreneur or an AI freelance, an AI consultant, but there are huge opportunities in the AI emerging world. If you want to know more about those opportunities, you can ask us information here in the contact form. We have an AI Jobs Academy school, and we also have an AI scale-up service where we help companies to scale up using AI, but also we are helping aspiring online entrepreneurs to launch their AI business through our AI digital scale-up project.